Bitcoin update, September 17th, 2023, around almost 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. As you're a beginner, if you're someone that's looking and trying to kind of understand what's going on with digital assets, consider there's different time frames that we're looking at these things, okay, at. And before I get too far, just big shout out to the IM Academy. This is where I'm learning these things from. If you have any questions, I'm sharing these videos because I'm really just kind of doing my own, so to say, homework. But I'm just sharing it with you. And then if it's something you feel like you're interested in, reach out to me and we can collaborate. So if you have any questions, reach out to me. Let's collaborate. This is Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, right? And these are a couple of zones that has been shared to us by the swipe coin. And so you can see right now on the 15-minute time frame, for most people, that's almost unheard of. That's really just zooming into it, almost like looking at it underneath a microscope. So let's see if make sure we got volume. Make sure we got volume. We have volume. Okay, so hopefully we do. Okay, yeah, I think so. Okay, just checking, make sure. Okay, just making sure we have volume. So that's on the 15-minute time frame. But so big shout out to the IM Academy, where we have over 100 different educators teaching you, and this is where you build confidence in your decisions, and you make better decisions because you're getting educated by people who are professional. And so that's the thing. As you're going through this journey, I encourage you, if you're going to get on the digital assets journey, to just give yourself a year to just learn and just, decide how you want to take it one day at a time. Just get into it and learn it. This is not something I feel like that for the most part can just be learned overnight, although you technically can just, invest easily. So, but having the confidence to maneuver these markets, they're up, they're down. What do you do? So, but big shout out. We have over 100 different educators in the academy. So now this is zoomed up. Now, real quick, I think it's here. Just wanted to cover this right here real quick. This is the 3 basic types of trading that I feel like some people fall into, either 1 or 2 or all 3 of these categories. Position trading, swing trading, scalp trading. I just want to put it out there to kind of familiarize yourself with these terms, because I feel like as a new person, it's really helpful to know about these things. Position trading is you believe in a project, you buy into it, and you're ready to wait. You don't mind waiting 3, 5, 10, 20, 30 years to sell it. You don't mind. You position traded, right? Swing trading, I feel like, is, as I'm learning it, it's almost every 7, it can be every 3 days, every 7, 10 days, moves of things. So you're trying to pick the highs and lows, and you're swing trading. So when the price goes up, we're swing trading short. So we short it down, and then you can swing trade it up or down. So it's kind of an amazing thing. But you learn this through the academy. Scalp trading, which is a lot of fun, but it's not for everybody. Scalp trading is not for everybody. It's kind of a day trading thing. It's something that you have to really be hungry and motivated to get in there and deal with these kind of things. You're in and out in a trade in minutes, sometimes maybe hours, but certainly sometimes within a 24-hour time frame. You're in and out. Could be a couple hours, could be, sometimes what's kind of fun is sometimes a scalp trade will convert into a swing trade because it took a bigger move. The move was bigger, right? So that's the thing. So on the 15-minute time frame, which is this, each one of these red or green bars represents 15 minutes, right? So 4 represents an hour, right? 12 is going to be 3 hours, right? Now, over here, we're zooming way out for a minute. I want to take you way out. This is just kind of doing a basic analysis. I'd be doing it myself, but I'm just sharing it with you. We're really zooming way out, just okay, way out. Okay. So now what's fun about this one is we're zooming way in. This is like putting Bitcoin underneath the microscope. Okay. So looking at it just to the real close. But here we're pulling way back. We're taking a big picture. So on the first frame, we're looking at it on the 15-minute time frame. Can you see that right there? 15-minute time frame. Over here, we're looking at it on the 1 week time frame. Here, one bar represents 15 minutes, right? Each bar represents 15 minutes. Over here, one bar represents 1 week, right? So we're really zooming out. Okay? So just for fun, because sometimes a lot of the professionals will say, when in doubt, zoom out. I don't know which way the price is going to go. Is the price going to go up or is it going to go down? Let me know so we can do our trading, right? So we want to know what's the magic crystal ball say? Well, we don't know, so we have to zoom out. We zoom out. So let's take a big picture out. We're looking at it. Now, I have put in some charts here, so don't let it blow you away. It's a little bit of it'll seem like a little bit much, but it's not that bad. A lot of these are just different ways of trying to figure out which way it's going. So a lot of these lines represents support and resistances. Sometimes things get supported, and then sometimes it's trying to go up and it gets resistance. Look here, I'll just show you, for example, what I'm talking about. See this line right here? Look at this line right here, this one line. As the price, this is on the weekly time frame now. This is really zoomed out, okay? As the price goes up, it hits that line. It hits it. It even pushes up over it a little bit, but then it comes back underneath it. Can you see that right there? Right there. Then it goes down a bit, and then it comes back up and does it 4 more times. Hits that line 4 more times. It's trying to go through that line. To me, represents resistance, right? Okay. Now, on the bottom here, is a lot going on here because represents support, right? So that's kind of where we're at right now. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. I'm going to really zoom in on this chart. This is the levels program. This program is sponsored by the IM Academy, specific just to the IM Academy. This really helps to lay out some different zones, right? So let's break it down from the week. Let's bring it down to the day, right? So I'm going to bring it down to the day. As you can see, on a daily time frame, it's really just kind of stayed in one channel, except for one day it went up and went down, right? Well, and then like 3 days. Look at that, up and then down. That's some wild action. If you know what you're looking at here, that's wild action. So, but now I'm gonna really bringing it down because I want to take a closer look. I'm looking at it on the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour. See, I just want to see what's going on here. It really looks to me like it's trying to push through resistance. It's trying to. But we're going to watch it, right? We're going to watch and see. But now, this is where I like using the tools together. This is Swipe Coin. Now, this is on the 1 hour. And see this bit right here? It's really having a hard time breaking through that line right there. I'm noticing that. And here, it really looks like it's trying to break through this. This is on the 15-minute. Like it's trying to break through this level right here is what I'm seeing, right? And once it does, that's going to confirm to me that zone is the next zone. That's what I feel like it's saying, right? So I'm really watching this right here, right here. I'm going to see, I think I might have I had the right one saved. Nope. Thought I might. I was looking for one particular chart, but it's okay. This is just kind of where we're at with it right now. So it's really testing this lower zone right here. See this? This is on the 15-minute time frame. Each one of these bars is 15 minutes. So what I want to see is I want to see the bars go below this zone and go to the next candle and stay below the zone. That would be that'd be great. But everybody's got different methods, depends on what you're trying to do. But that's where I'm at with it right there. Now, just one more time here. Just testing a couple things here. Value boxes. Okay, well, we'll see what happens here. I'm going to keep a close eye on this, but this is where I'm at. I really use this one. I really love to zoom out, not zone out, right? Zoom out. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing we're inside this channel on the weekly. There's a lot going on right here, but what I do believe, what I hope, this is just me. I'm just one person just speculating. I personally don't mind if the price of Bitcoin goes down, because that means personally I can accumulate more. So I don't mind it. But we work with the cards that we're dealt with, right? But I feel like we might come down to this level here. That's why I got it marked off over here. So I'm watching these. So what I'm really watching is all this right here, because we have this support line going up right here, and we have the side-to-side support line. So there is a lot of support right there, I feel like. That's just me just saying what I think. So on the weekly, let's go into the daily again. Let's see here. This is in the daily. What's it going to do here? But what I can say is I'll switch over to the this is just really what I'm not seeing a whole lot on this, other than it's trying to go up. You see how many times it's hit it? Twice there, twice there. It's trying to break through, right? It's trying to break through. So we'll see. But when I switch it to the swipe coin, this is the same thing, but it's here, just wrestling with this zone, and it's trying to come down. It's trying to come down. So for me, I can really only see what it's going to do in the short run and make decisions based on that. So in the 15-minute time frame, I'm waiting on the break and close to confirm this idea for what I have working. But this is where we're at right now. And then let's see, really quick look at Ethereum. This is where they left us off here. Yeah, so missed the latest idea on Ethereum. I haven't really been trading Ethereum, mainly just trading Bitcoin. But look, here you go. You have a break and close. Look at the idea. So you're watching this. They give you the break and close idea, and it breaks and closes. 1639 was the idea was confirmed, and 1615. So that's just beautiful. It just did what it said it was going to do, and I love that. That is amazing. So it did what it said it was going to do. And here we are right now wrestling. It could bounce and go up, because believe me, we have a lot of support. Right here. Right here. Oh my gosh. A lot of support. So I'm waiting eagerly. So I kind of follow this like I feel like kind of like a child's enthusiasm, because it just is so fascinating to me, just watching this stuff, how it moves up and down. Look at the action here. Look from here to here, just in this amount of time. It's you get a lot of movement. So, but right now, sometimes they try to trap you, and so they're not giving us much information right now, but that's okay. We have the tools, and we're watching them. We're putting them under a microscope. We're putting them inside of a box. Look at here. We can put them inside of a box, and we can just really I feel like, can make better decisions. So, all right. Well, that's the Bitcoin update right now. This is where we're at with Bitcoin update. Watching this zone right now. Look here. We just broke it again. It's just right there. So is it going to break and stay, or will it violate? Will it break and go back up? Sometimes that happens, but That's not what I'm looking for here. What we're looking for is a break. What I'm looking for is a break and close to confirm the idea, and then confirm that idea. Let's go with the idea. That's what I'm hoping for. But hey, if you want to collaborate, if you want to create your own zones on your own terms and learn to navigate these markets, and get involved and collaborate with other people that's like-minded, please consider reaching out to me. Let's collaborate. I'm looking for people that wants to join with me with the I Am Academy. So let's do it. All right, let's do it. And hear me now or hear me later. I'm just kidding. So, all right, that's it for now. Appreciate your time and your energy. And we'll see you on the next one. Remember, health is wealth, cash flow is king, cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about that. Health is wealth. Without our health, what do we have? Cash flow is king. Having that cash flow coming in is king. Cash is queen, and credit is freedom. Think about it. See you on the next lesson. Bye for now.